Pain shouldn't be chronic, and people shouldn't have to live with it. Healables is driving a revolution in digital health with a new class of wearable therapeutics.
We have taken on a vital mission to achieve faster healing and safer pain relief for people suffering from chronic pain. Pain is the body's way of telling us that our cells need repair, and repair requires energy. Inside the power plant of the cell, known as the mitochondria, electrons move down the electron transport chain to form the main energy molecule, ATP. When our mitochondria are sick, our cells don't get the energy they need for repair. Healables provides a microcurrent stream of electrons and gentle vibration to kickstart our mitochondria and increase ATP. This is how microcurrent repairs cells and relieves pain.
More than 175 published studies show beneficial effects of microcurrent technology. Throughout my medical career, I've treated over 20,000 patients with various kinds of pain and diseases of the brain, nerves, bones, joints, and muscles. The speed with which microcurrent reduces inflammation of joints, bursa, and tendons is remarkable. I've seen chronic intractable joint pain and bone bruising resolve with very few treatments. Jan suffered from severe chronic arthritis. She came to me in a wheelchair and used 2 canes just to make limited movements. She was really suffering, couldn't do her job. She had had 2 fusions of her right ankle over the past 2 years and was still in severe pain. Jan had seen top foot and ankle specialist orthopedic surgeons who had no solutions for her. 1 treatment with the Healables device and her pain was 50% better. After the 2nd treatment, she walked up the hill to my office without assisted devices or pain.
So why isn't everyone using microcurrent? Well, because until now, it's just been too hard. Other machines are just too complicated, too time-consuming, and too old-fashioned. And they use gooey electrodes and tangled wires.
Ron was a high-performance athlete and special forces soldier in his 20s. He was put on desk duty because of severe pain in his knees. He had bone bruises on MRI scans. His orthopedic surgeons didn't have anything to offer him except for non-steroidal anti-inflammatories and Percocet, which contains the opioid oxycodone. He was depending on these pain medications for every day. Ron had an initial good response to treatment with the Healables device, so he took a loaner device home, and after several weeks, he was pain-free without any need for pain medications.
That's why Healables invented the wearable therapeutic. Our patented electron stream device is simple, quick, and smart. The Healables wearable is designed to be worn on our smart textiles. You can wear it at a clinic or bring it home for remote treatment and monitoring. And because it's a smart device, artificial intelligence will personalize treatment just for you.
88% of people in our user testing program reported significant pain relief, and physical therapists love that our product is easy to use. We are encouraged and excited by these responses.
Now it's time for us to scale and disrupt the annual $79 billion global pain market. Here's what you can do. We've launched the Healables investment campaign
so that you can join us on our mission to end chronic pain.
It's a great feeling to know your product helps people.
The opportunity to invest starts now and starts here.
Join me today and become a Healables investor so that together we can build a future without pain. Click invest and let the journey begin.